students, good morning to everyone. Hope all of you are fine and safe. So today we are going to discuss our new topic, that is divisibility rule of the chapter 4, factors and multiples. As we have read about the factors, multiples, HCF and LCM in the previous work, so today I will teach you the divisibility rule. So please listen it carefully and understand this concept clearly. So what is in it? In this rule, what is your calculations get stronger, and this rule is very important as it comes in upper classes also, as well in 6th, 7th and 8th and in other exams also. So it is very useful for you person. So let's start. What is in it? Divisibility rule. Today we are going to discuss the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Rest of the divisibility rule we do later in the next lecture. So let's start. Divisibility of 2. What is in it? In this rule, whether your number is a greater, whether your number is a smaller, if you want to check any number, it is divisible by 2 or not, how you check? Look here. You have to remember only one simple thing, that is you have to check the ones digit value. If the ones digit value is even or 0, then that number is divisible by 2. How? Look here, let's take one example. Suppose we are taking any number, like I take the number 843. 843. I have already tell you that you have to check only the ones digit. Now all of you know ones digit is this. So now on the ones digit, what is the value of? That is 3. All of you know 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. But according to the rule, our ones digit should be the even or 0. So this number 843 is not divisible by 2. 843 is not divisible by 2 because the last ones digit is odd, that is 3. Let's take another example. Suppose I am taking the number 20. This much big number, you can see. Now how I can tell this is divisible by 2 or not? Look here. By saying only the, you can simply tell how? By saying the ones digit value. Now ones digit value is 0. According to the rule, what is it? Your number at the ones place should be even or 0. Now your number on ones place, ones digit is 0. So, all of you know this is a symbol of a so. So, our number 249820 is divisible by 2. Remember all of you? Only you have to check the ones digit value. If the ones digit value is even or 0 at the last, then you can say this number is divisible by 2. Now let's moving on the next number, that is the 3. We have to check the divisibility of 3. How we check the divisibility of 3? Look here. One thing you have to remember, simple, sum of all the digits. You have to sum up all the digits that given in the number. Let's take an example. Suppose I am taking the number 649. 6, 4, 9. According to the rule, divisibility of 3, what is in it? You have to sum up all the digits. Sum up means add up all the digits given in the number. Do it. Sum here. 6 plus 4 plus 9. What comes? 19. 19 sum comes. Now check. Is 19 comes on the table of 3? No. As we already know, 19 not comes on the table of 3. So, the number 649 is not divisible by 3. 649 is not divisible by 3. If the sum comes, that you have to check the sum. If the sum is divisible by 3, then we can say the number is divisible by 3. All of you understand? Moving on the next number, that is the 4. Check divisibility of 4. Divisibility of 4. Here I am writing only the little bit clues to hint just to remember you easily. You can remember easily how the rules can be applied. In this rule you have to check the last 2 digits. Only the last 2 digits of the number. Last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, or the last 2 digits be 0. Let's take example. Suppose I am taking number 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 2, 8, 8. I am taking the number 4, 3, 5, 2, 8, 8. According to the rule, we have to check the last 2 digits of the number. Now here last 2 digits 88. Now as we already know, 88 comes on the table of a 4. It can be divided on the table of 4. So this number is divisible on 4. Clear all of you? Let's take another example of this. Suppose I am taking this number. Here last 2 digits are 0, 0, 0. According to rule also, if last 2 digits are divisible on 4, or whether at the last 2 digits are 0, the number should be divisible on 4. So also we can say 95260 is divisible by 4. Hope all of you clear? Moving on the next rule. Next rule is next number 5. So rule also divisibility of 5. Divisibility of 5. In this rule you have to remember only one thing. What? Last digit is either 0 or 5. What? Your last digit should be either 0 or 5. Let's take an example. Suppose I am taking the number this. Okay. Here last digit is 5. Last digit you can also say one digit. Last digit is 5. Now I can say easily this whole number is divisible by 5. 5. This whole number is divisible by 5. As we already know, on the table of a 5, at the last, what number comes? 0 or 5? 0 or 5 comes. So from here also, we can say last digit is either 0 or 5. So moving on the next number, that is 6. Divisibility of 6. How you check? Number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, in this, any number you have to check. That number should be divisible by 2 also. That number should be divisible by 3 also. Let's take an example. Suppose I am taking the number 6, 4, 8. 6. According to the rule, number is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2, already we have discussed what is in that. One's digit should be even or 0. First check, divisible by 2. This number is 8. 8 is our even number. So this number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now moving on the next. Divisible by 3 also we have to check what is in that rule. Sum of all the digits. We have to do sum of all the digits. Let's do. If we sum up 6 plus 4 plus 8, what comes? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. As we already know, 18 goes on the table of 3, so this number is also divisible by 3. Now we can say that the number we have taken 6, 4, 3, 6, 4, 3 is divisible by 6. Is divisible by 6 as it divisible by 2 and 3. Okay students, what is in this? I am repeating again. Divisibility of 6. Number is divisible by 2 and 3. Number is divisible by 2 and 3. If you have any number, first you have to check divisibility of 2. How you check? You have to check only the even and 0. One's place digit is even or 0. If it is even, that number is divisible by 2. And the second, divisibility of 3, you have to check how? You have to sum of all the digits and check that sum goes on the table of a 3. Then it is divisible by 3. So we can say the whole number is divisible by 6. Okay? I am repeating one by one rule again and again. Divisibility of 2, one's digit is even or 0. And divisibility of a 3, sum of all the digits. Divisibility of a 4, last digits, you have to check the last 2 digits, and the 0, 0 can also come. And the divisibility of a 5, last digit is either 0 or 5. And divisibility of 6, number is divisible by 2 and 3. So students, try these questions based on this rule. Thanks and have a nice day.